What I have today is the Vevor Cordless Angle Grinder. It comes with both grinding wheels and cutting wheels. I have a piece of scrap metal here that's very rusty, and you can't weld on something when it's really rusty like that. The handle can go on the left or the right, and the button is in the center. It could be left-handed or right-handed. Press on the bottom of the button and push up, because if you try to press right here, it's kind of locked. It's like a safety. So press on the bottom. That quick. Here's one of the two cutting discs that they sent with the tool. Just for extra safety, I take the battery out before I go to switching accessories. There's a button on the back here. Press in, and as you're using the spanner wrench and turning counterclockwise, you'll feel the button fall down into a spot. Then you know you've got it trapped, and you can break that nut loose. If you want to charge the battery on the Vevor, it has a little hole right there, and a very lightweight, compact charger. That's all there is to it. Plugs right in there, and then plugs into a wall outlet. When switching to the cutting blade, this still remains up. Put the cutting blade in there, but this has to be flipped over. This protrusion goes down when using the grinding accessory, but it flips over for using the cutting blade. Still goes clockwise when tightening, and have to press the button in to hold it still. There's a quick connect for the guard, so I can just loosen up the guard and move it to wherever I want it. And then flip that back down. Make sure I've got it nice and straight. And then my guard's off to the side so I can do cutting. In the next video, I'm going to show you the set of polishing pads I got, how I made them work on the Vevor grinder, and we'll polish some things up with them. What do you think about it, Shop Cat? The subscribe button is right there, and then you hit the bell. Look here down here. All. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video, you'll see more, and then the description pops up. To make the description go away after you've scrolled through and found the links that you want, the X. To hit like.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We've got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.